Marsha Hudson, your social media and online branding coach, and I'd like to welcome you to my Yes to Success YouTube channel. I hope that you will enjoy my videos, and if this is your first time, welcome, and I hope you subscribe and give us a thumbs up. Or if you've been visiting, welcome back. Today I'd like to talk about in this video the 4 ingredients for a recipe of branding success. So I've created these 4 ingredients because over the last few months I've been working with clients and working with individuals and companies on social media and doing a lot of research on branding, because branding is so important for us as business owners. So I came up with these 4 ingredients for this recipe. So let's get started. Okay, so number one, create brand awareness. That is the first ingredient for recipe for branding success. How do you create brand awareness? Well, you have to put yourself out there through blogs and through emails and through podcasts and speaking. So you have to create brand awareness by just putting yourself out there in a variety of ways. And you can do that through these you can do that through podcasts, videos like this one, email marketing. So that's the first recipe for creating success as you start to brand your business. Number two, build strong relationships. So how do you build strong relationships? Well, there are several ways to do that. You can do that through networking, which is a great way to build relationships. Going to networking events, building relationships with other like-minded business owners. Secondly, you can build relationships on your social media through messaging, through retweeting, through commenting and things like that. So we build strong relationships with others by basically having communication with them through a variety of ways. Like I say, through networking and through messaging and commenting on social media. And being a voice that we can depend on is being loyal. Number one is create brand awareness. That's the first ingredient. Number two is build strong relationship. Number three, develop a content calendar. So you want to make sure your content is informative, educational, helpful, and valuable, and even sometimes humorous. Just as long as you're developing great content and you're putting it out there, and your followers and your audience, they're learning from it and they're being better from your content, and you're helping them to build their business. So the fourth ingredient is sticking to a consistent schedule. Many times as business owners, we're so busy, we're wearing a lot of hats, we're doing so many things. But one of the biggest ingredients for branding yourself online is being consistent. You have to be consistent with creating your awareness, with building relationships, with creating great content. Consistency is the key. If you're going to blog once a week, be sure and be consistent. If you're going to send a great email newsletter once a month, be consistent. That way people look forward to you showing up. You create loyalty and people can depend on you. So these 4 ingredients are great for branding yourself online and building your business. You can't help but increase. You can't help but make more money. You can't help it. You can't help but brand yourself in a big way with these 4 ingredients. So if you want more information on this, be sure and visit my site at marshalynnhudson.com. I also have some online courses that you can take to help. I also have free tools on my site that you can download to help you. The biggest thing is we need to help each other grow and brand ourselves as business owners to stay in business. So let's both say yes to success, and let's put these 4 ingredients into our recipe for successful branding. I'm Marsha Hudson, your social media and online branding coach. Say yes to success.